Mirimiri spiritually, and I had a lot of pain through my whole body. But since having these 5 sessions, it's really lifted it, and I can move a lot better. I was at a car accident when I was 14, where I broke my pelvis. From then, it's just accumulated and become a lot worse. I had a C-section also with my son, so it's pretty much from then my back pain has been, crazy. Even when I walked, you could see that one side was lopsided. Now it's a lot better. I got the standard physio when I was 14 until I was about 16, and then it still persisted, so they just tried to give me pills, which I refused to take. It's probably sitting at, I would say, about a 40 now, if we were doing from a scale of 0 to 100.
So you're saying you're 40% now compared to 100% prior?
Yeah. I think because I resonated with him when I walked through the door, I just looked at him and I just thought, yeah.
And so
I think because you can feel everyone's modi, so it's not just you with the kaiawhena, it's you with everyone around. So we all lift each other up while we're doing it. Spiritually to me as well, I can't speak for everyone else, but for me, spiritually, I can. I think my worth, that I can take care of myself, and I don't need to rely on anyone else. That's on the camera. That's video recording me.
So what did that person tell you?
That I'm a healer, and that I am a carer and grounded. I have papa tuanuku, I have taonga and tangaroa, which is healing. I have guidance from my tupuna, and that I should do this. You need to come. You need to come and experience this. It's also free if you're not under ACC. I'll just put that out there. And you just need to come. You only live once, and
Why live in pain?
why live in pain? Like me.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.